What's going on, everybody? This giant shit show that you see here is what I used to call my ultimate motorcycle garage. It is in an apartment or a townhouse that I used to rent. When I originally built this garage, I built it knowing that I would not be living here forever. Obviously, very rarely do you live there forever or somewhere forever, but I built the garage in order to be able to move. Alas, here we are 2 years later, or almost 2 years later, and I'm moving. So, if all of the stuff I've done in this garage is correct, today shouldn't be that bad. I'm gonna go ahead and call it. I think it's gonna be bad. So if you guys haven't seen me in my series of building the ultimate motorcycle garage, put a link in the description. But I did a whole series of building out this entire garage. So if you guys wanna check that out, feel free. So I've got a buddy here, Luke, right off camera. And the goal is to get this garage to the new garage. Just put a video out like doing all this crazy floor shit in the new garage, and it is ready and primed to get all of this stuff into it. Today's gonna be a long day. We'll be, grabbing the camera and filming as much of it as we can. I'll let you guys know how it's going along the way. Ready, Luke?
Yeah, I'm so pumped.
So pumped. So, here we go. Garage move day. Let's go. Don't comment about where the Wreck Bike Rebuild bike is. It's literally outside. You guys don't get to see the bike yet? You kidding me? Freaking think this is my first time playing this game? No, sir. You guys will see in the reveal video, but it's just outside. Because I know, there's gonna be somebody who's like, Chase, did you already give the bike away? Where's the bike at? Huh? I already got you, keyboard warrior. Suck it, nerd. Can you throw me one of the Ziploc? Oh.
And then metal.
Oh my god.
What's that?
I tried to pull the garbage cans out and...
You almost done.
Yeah, okay. All right, so it only took that and those two. Luke's working on getting that thing cleared now. We're trying to get all the tiny stuff boxed up, then we're gonna get all the big stuff moved out. That's where we are right now. Oh, you want to see something cool? I haven't shown this in a video in a really long time. I bet you've never seen it.
What is that?
You guys are going to get a kick out of this. This is probably the coolest thing that somebody's ever sent me.
Somebody sent you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right?
Wow.
Like, I don't play guitar, but like, that was pretty... C2 Dub guitar gonna go probably in the wall somewhere in the new garage.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah. Workbench is pretty much done. All this electronic stuff is going to be going like in a separate situation. We a little worried about this little fatty right here. All right, moving on to my freaking custom gear rack. I still don't know if we should just like lay all the hang up shit in the back of the Jeep, and that way we don't have to box it up. You know what I mean? Just like, so put in a box all of the small stuff and the shoes or whatever. I don't know. We're working our way, people. We're learning. Boom! Look at that. How about that for a perfect size box?
Medium-sized box.
Perfect medium-sized box. Look at the efficiency of that. All right, guys, so the big rack's pretty much done. This guy's empty. This thing's full. All of the smaller stuff on the gear rack is empty, and it all fit into this little area. I guess it's time to start getting big stuff onto the trailer. Alright guys, first trailer load is loaded up, I think. We got some boxes with the mini fridge, the work table, bench, and we got the gear rack, and then we got a Jeep full of all the jackets and stuff like that. The next load will probably be the lift and the boxes, but we'll figure that out later. I really thought my trailer was bigger than it actually is, so a couple more trips gonna be necessary to get all the stuff over there. Okay, round one with the trailer went well. Now I think it's getting the tool cabinet and potentially the lift and throwing any extra stuff in the back of the Jeep. In my head, we can just roll this onto here. Whether that's gonna happen or not, I don't really know. If
We're gonna learn today.
we're gonna learn. So my backup plan is we try to roll it and it doesn't roll, and we'll put a ratchet strap here and we'll just pull. Clearance. No, this bitch is wide. Y'all, I can't express to you how much me and Luke were like, all right, dude, straight up, this is the heaviest thing we got. And then it just rolls on. Dude, I'm so not worried about the next place then, because it's just gonna roll straight at. Woohoo! Now I just got to populate the rest of the trailer, but that's all the big shit. Well, we have a bike that's gonna like get specialty taken by itself. We're making progress, people. Making progress. The heavy ass lift. Dude, I don't even. Oh, it does have wheels. Holy shit, that's gonna be so helpful. Luke's getting the stuff off the wall, little tool racks and stuff like that. After this load, when we come back, I think we're gonna start stripping the wallpaper down. That's gonna be a pain. We also have to figure out the lights too. We got a lot left. Oh my goodness. Nope. We're legit gonna have to bring a tap and die little. Wait, it's drywall, so just look away.
Well, I'm glad you're doing this. Let me try this.
So guys, I was just investigating the lift and turns out that it's fully on wheels. So I just lifted up that little stand to level it and the whole thing can just, thank God, because I was a little worried about that one. Luke's almost done with wall things. Except for that one.
We're gonna talk about that a little bit.
Yeah, here, I'll show you. I probably put that screw in and it is super stripped. But I tried to yank it out of the drywall because like look how much it moves. Right? But it won't, it ain't coming out. So what's the we're gonna have to get the reverse thread drill thing at the old house. Wait. We might. I think we have that here. Never mind. There was actually not those tools in the Jeep. I got prematurely excited. We're gonna do a garbage run and then we will finalize the stuff up, start getting the wall off, start getting the lights down, start pulling the floor up a little bit. All right, garbage run in 3, 2. And the garage is clean, haha, editing magic. Okay, so now the walls. They've been peeling by themselves anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. Just, again. Look at this. Turns out the wallpaper comes off, no problem. Like I said, wasn't really worried about it because there's a couple spots, like legit, let me show you guys. I had to staple this shit into the wall to make sure it wouldn't come down. Look at the staple. See the staple? Literally, most of this wall is only held on because I had to put staples in it. So, we are going to rip the wallpaper out. We're going to rip, probably not rip the lights out because like, holes and shit, but like, let's finish up. What you say? Huh? This is what you have to do. You have to have like a piece come down and be like,
Careful. Careful.
Alright guys, so wallpaper came down really easily. Next up is the floor, but a buddy of mine is going to be purchasing my floor from me. So we're not going to take it all apart, but I did want to show you guys how easy it would be if we were going to take the whole floor up. So we'll do this like front section. Actually, it's probably easiest to do a corner. Literally clicks up. one square. You just take all the squares up. That times like 140 or something, or however many pieces there are, and the whole floor will come up. We're gonna do that in the entire floor in another day. Not gonna do it in this episode. So, I think we're done. Should I just like
Do it.
dude, no. It would all stick to me. No, I'm not gonna do that. Alright guys, we're gonna do a test on one light. See how easy it comes off. Yep. That's what I was hoping for. Okay, now I just gotta do that 5 more times. We're not recording all of that. So, we're gonna get the lights out, gonna leave the floor, and we'll catch you guys at the new garage and finish this video. Guys, wanted to show you what the garage looks like with no lighting in the top. Pretty insane. Got all the lights down here, just took them out of the ceiling. And I'm gonna call this place done now. What's going on, guys? So, today started at 9 o'clock and it is currently 9:15, awesome. 12 hours later, Luke and I have now got all of the stuff moved to the new garage. As you can see, the floor, that's the biggest tell, this is the new garage. There's so much stuff in here, and like I said, it's already been a 12-hour day, so I'm calling this video over. I think what me and Luke will do is we'll do a whole nother video where we're setting the garage up. Like, look, we still, like, the lights aren't even hung up. The lighting in here is god-awful. But all in all, I feel like the garage, the old one, it came down really well. All the big pieces that we were pretty worried about ended up having wheels and being able to move anyway. So yeah, I feel like overall it was a success. Like, building a garage with the mentality of you're going to be moving it, it ended up working out. We just obviously have a really long way to go. I got to be careful because I got the wreck bike rebuild bike behind the camera and I don't want you guys to see it. But anyways, guys, that's all I got for you. If you enjoyed this whole thing about moving the garage, make sure to hit that like button, and that shows me that you guys are into this content. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the garage setup video or whatever the hell video is next. All right, dudes, I'm out of here. I'm exhausted. Bye. Outro crew, look at what we're dealing with right now, guys. Just stuff on stuff on stuff. Oh my gosh. Got a lot of work ahead of us, gents. All right, later.